Top 5 Online Earning Tools. Earn Money Online Without Investment, 2026. Top Online Earning Tools That Actually Work. Complete step-by-step guide. Do you want to earn money online, but you don't know where to start? You watch videos every day where people say, earn dollars online, make money from home, but no one explains how it actually works. In this long video, I will explain real online earning tools that beginners are using right now to earn money from home. No fake promises, no shortcuts, only practical tools and clear steps. So watch this video till the end because the last section will show you how to combine these tools into one income system. What are online earning tools? Foundation. Online earning tools are digital platforms that help you sell skills, services, or digital products and receive payments from anywhere in the world. You don't need an office, a boss, or a big investment. You only need internet, a mobile or laptop, and consistency. Let's now start with the most powerful tool for beginners. Tool number 1, Fiverr, Beginner King. Fiverr is one of the easiest platforms to start online earning. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace where you sell services called gigs. Services can be logo design, video editing, voice-over AI image prompts, script writing, data entry. Even simple tasks sell very well. Why Fiverr is perfect for beginners. No interview, no approval needed. You create your own service. Clients come to you. Many beginners start earning within their first 30 days. Real example. A beginner creates a gig. I will write YouTube video scripts using AI. Price: $5 basic, $15 standard, $30 premium. If he gets 1 order per day equals $150 per month, 3 orders per day equals $450 per month. And this is just one gig. Fiverr. Success tips. Choose one niche. Create 3 to 5 gigs only. Use simple English, deliver on time. Fiverr rewards consistency. Tool number 2, Upwork, high-pay platform. Upwork is more professional than Fiverr and clients here pay higher rates. What is Upwork? Upwork connects skilled people with long-term clients. Here you apply for jobs instead of creating gigs. Best skills for Upwork content: writing, virtual assistant, social media manager, video editor, web developer. Even beginners get selected if their proposal is clear. How Upwork pays more clients pay: hourly or fixed price. Many freelancers earn $10 per hour, $20 per hour, even $50 per hour. One client can change your life. Upwork. Winning strategy. Apply to 5 jobs daily. Write custom proposals. Focus on one skill. Improve profile weekly. Upwork is slow in the beginning, but powerful in the long run. Tool number 3, Payoneer, payment backbone. Now comes the most important question. How do you receive international payments? The answer is Payoneer. What is Payoneer? Payoneer is a global payment platform that allows you to receive money from Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon international clients, and transfer it directly to your local bank. Why Payoneer is important without Payoneer? You can't receive dollars. You can't work globally. Payoneer is the backbone of online earning. Payoneer benefits: secure, trusted worldwide. Easy bank withdrawal, multiple currencies. Every online earner needs it. Tool number 4, Gumroad, passive income tool. Now let's talk about passive income. What is Gumroad? Gumroad allows you to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, AI prompts, design files. You create once and sell unlimited times. Example product ideas: 100 ChatGPT prompts for YouTubers, Faceless YouTube starter kit, Instagram caption templates. Price: $5, $10, $25, 100 sales equals $1,000 plus. Why Gumroad is powerful: no inventory, no shipping, automatic payments, global customers. This is real digital business. Tool number 5, YouTube, long-term goldmine. Most people don't treat YouTube as a tool, but it is the biggest online earning machine. Why YouTube is powerful. You earn from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products. One video can earn money for years. Faceless YouTube method. You don't need camera face studio. You can use stock footage, AI voice, screen recordings. Consistency beats talent. How to combine all tools. System. Smart people don't use one tool. They create a system. Fiverr/Upwork. Active income, Payoneer, payment handling, Gumroad, passive income, YouTube, traffic plus authority. This is how online earners grow. Common mistakes, jumping between tools. No patience, no skill focus. Watching videos, but no action. Online earning is simple, but not easy. Final advice. Choose one tool today. Give it 90 days. Improve every week. Results will come. If this video helped you, like and share it. Subscribe for more videos on digital money tools and online earning systems. The next video is already coming.